Welcome to Dino Mash-Up. Get ready to test your skills. I'm going to show you a crazy dino mixed with an animal, and you have 5 seconds to guess which animal it is. Here's an easy example: a stegosaurus and a turtle. Got it? Think fast, because the answer comes quick. Are you ready? Let's go! This mashup is a velociraptor and a cheetah. Did you get it right? Ready for round 2? Here we go. This mashup is a triceratops and a pig. Great job. Round 3, here we go. Did you guess T-Rex and a tiger? Keep it up. Round 4, let's go. This is a stegosaurus and a parrot. Round 5, get ready. This mashup is a velociraptor and a frog. Round 6, ready? This mashup is a stegosaurus and a giraffe. Ready for round 7? This silly mashup is a triceratops and a rabbit. Ready for round 8? Let's go! This is a brontosaurus and a cow. Get ready for round 9. This mashup is a T-Rex and a wolf. Ready for round 10? Let's go! This fun mashup is a stegosaurus and a dog. Round 11, here we go! This mashup is a T-Rex and a chicken. Round 12, get ready! This mashup is a velociraptor and a raccoon. Round 13, get ready! This mashup is a T-Rex and a bear. Round 14, bonus round. Good luck! This mashup is a Spinosaurus and a chameleon. Round 15, final round. Let's go! This final mashup is a stegosaurus and a peacock. Did you guess it right? Great job guessing all the crazy dino mashups. That was fun. How many did you get right? Challenge your friends and see how they do. See you next time for another wild animal and dino mashup.